Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Stevens and the footage you just saw was of the Impulse test stand. Impulse is a complete testing system designed to record thrust data from a wide range of motor sizes. I've been working with a close friend of mine, Jacob Curtis, to develop this project, and after iterating through our previous test stand designs, we believe we have Impulse at a place where it can be released for a public beta. Let's get into some of the features of the Impulse test stand, starting with what types of data it can record. Impulse can record thrust up to 440 pounds or 200 kilograms at a maximum sample rate of 1000 Hz. It also records temperature and humidity data and writes all this data to a microSD card. The electronics consists of a custom PCB powered by a Teensy LC microcontroller. Impulse also includes a rechargeable 1000 mAh battery that is charged via a standard micro USB port on the side. The Impulse test stand has a built-in calibration program for calibrating the load cell in the field. Load cell calibration was a feature we received a lot of positive feedback about and can be a challenge to perform in the field without a dedicated setup. The load cell can also be disconnected from the stand to allow for different capacity load cells to be connected that are more appropriate for different motor thrust ranges. Next, let's talk about what's included in the box. First is the Impulse electronic system. This includes a custom PCB that handles the data recording and writing to a microSD card. Also included is an enclosure, LCD display, and 1000 mAh LiPo battery. An 8GB microSD card and adapter is included in the box as well. Moving on to the structures, the main components included are a mounting plate, post with linear guide rail, motor mount carriages, feet with holes for securing the stand to the ground, and a load cell. Also included are a U-channel and flat base motor adapters. We designed these adapters to fit a large range of motors, but the interface between the bulkhead and load cell can vary from motor to motor. So feel free to reach out and we can help determine compatibility or modifications needed to ensure your motor works with Impulse. Lastly, I'm excited to announce that the orders for the public beta version of the Impulse test stand are now open on the Skill in Rocketry website. We will be keeping this first round of production to a low volume as we do not have the capability to mass produce Impulse at the moment. Once orders have been placed, we will begin production and we expect to ship units at the end of May. Our goal with Impulse is to make experimental rocketry more accessible. We've worked really hard to ensure that Impulse is easy to use and as useful as possible for collecting thrust data from rocket motors, and we hope it encourages more people to get involved in experimental rocketry. Thank you to everyone who has provided feedback on this project and to all my subscribers who support the work we do. I'm Matthew Stevens, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all again soon.